In this video, we'll show you how to effectively remove grass stains from jeans. Grass stains are caused by chlorophyll and other natural pigments, which bind to fabric fibers and can become permanent if left untreated. Acting quickly and using the proper methods is key to preventing discoloration and keeping your jeans looking great. Let's dive into the steps to tackle those stubborn green marks. To remove grass stains, you'll need mild laundry detergent, white vinegar, baking soda, a toothbrush or soft-bristled brush, and warm water. For tougher stains, an enzyme-based stain remover or rubbing alcohol can help break down the pigments. Start by rinsing the stained area with cold water from the back of the fabric. This helps flush out as much of the grass pigment as possible without pushing it deeper into the fibers. Avoid using hot water at this stage, as it can set the stain. Next, apply a small amount of liquid laundry detergent directly to the stain, gently rubbing it into the fabric with your fingers or a brush. If the stain is stubborn, mix equal parts white vinegar and water, and apply the solution to the stain. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to loosen the pigments. For additional cleaning power, sprinkle baking soda over the stained area and use a toothbrush or soft-bristled brush to gently scrub the fabric. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive and helps lift the stain without damaging the jeans. Rinse the jeans thoroughly with cold water to remove the cleaning agents and check the stain. If the stain persists, repeat the detergent or vinegar treatment and scrubbing process until the stain begins to fade. For tough or set-in stains, apply an enzyme-based stain remover according to the product instructions. These cleaners are designed to break down organic compounds like chlorophyll, making them particularly effective on grass stains. Allow the remover to sit for the recommended time before washing. Wash the jeans in the washing machine on a cold or warm cycle, depending on the fabric care label. Use a quality laundry detergent to help remove any remaining traces of the stain. Avoid using bleach, as it can damage the fabric or cause discoloration. After washing, inspect the stained area to ensure the grass stain is completely gone. If the stain remains, repeat the cleaning process before drying. Never put stained jeans in the dryer, as the heat can set the stain permanently. Once the stain is gone, air dry the jeans or use a low heat setting in the dryer. Air drying is often the safest option, as it allows you to double-check for any residual stains without risking heat damage. Getting grass stains out of jeans may seem challenging, but with the right steps, you can effectively remove them and keep your jeans looking great. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical stain removal tips and laundry advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.